Well, here we are. We're about to enter 2022, still grappling with a virus that has been relentless. Hello, I'm Len Cannon.
And I'm Reka Mutteraj in for Mia Gradney. The start of the new year is expected to bring even more COVID-19 cases. And today, Texas is reporting more than 10,000 new cases and 90 new deaths. That's up more than 9,000 cases from just 1 month ago. Marcelina Benito joining us live with a look at what health experts are saying about the virus as we enter the new year. Marcelino.
Well, Rake, it's going to be a new year, but it's the same old pandemic. Experts say the first 2 months of 2022 will be extremely challenging, but how the rest of the year will shape up will largely depend on who finally chooses to roll up their sleeves and get vaccinated. As we start the countdown to the final hours of 2021.
I mean, there are some similarities. There is a piece of deja vu to this, isn't it?
Dr. Peter Hota says 2022 will begin with soaring levels of COVID-19 transmission, long testing lines, and more masks making a comeback.
I mean, this Omicron variant is still going to accelerate here in Houston and in Texas.
National models predict Texas could see more than 260,000 daily cases by mid-January.
It's pretty impressive how transmissible this is, and it's going up precipitously.
This latest Omicron surge coming at a time when the economy is continuing to rebound. Today, new numbers show jobless claims holding at 52-year lows. Greater Houston Partnership forecasts Houston will create more than 75,000 new jobs next year. But inflation, supply chain issues, and worker shortages continue to be challenges. Health experts hope Omicron won't make things worse.
So that's going to be the challenge of how we get through these next few weeks.
Dr. Hotez predicts a rough ride early in 2022, with hospitalizations and deaths higher than they need to be at this point in the pandemic.
We'll be stressed once again, unfortunately. So it's not going to be an easy next few weeks. I think January and February will be tough months.
Too many Texans unvaccinated still are Achilles' heel, say experts.
If you're unvaccinated, you're playing with fire.
Dr. Hotez isn't convinced a new year will mean less vaccine hesitancy, but if it does, 2022 could turn around quickly.
The hope is that once this big wave passes, provided we vaccinate the world, we'll be in a much better position.
Now, those models suggest our case counts will actually peak here in the state of Texas by around January 19th, but we won't get back to previous levels of transmission like what we saw this past fall until the month of April. Back to you.
Yeah, certainly not how we wanted to kick off 2022, but it is our sad reality. Marcelino, thank you so much.